Hey, what's going on, Hedera Hashgraph Holders? Today video is got absolutely very important and very informative for Hedera Hashgraph Holder. Hedera Hashgraph Holders, some holders ask me this question to why we face this bad result at some days. So I gonna explain in this video to why Hedera Hashgraph goes down. So this is live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph. Before I get start this brand video, I request you to please subscribe ABSTIC channel. Hope you subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, then I inform you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. And this is the live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph. So don't miss this. Okay, just don't skip this video. Okay, so first of all, if you can see here, this time I gonna show you the last 24-hour result. You can see here, this is a mad, they can end in a negative minus 2.42%. they can go down. So absolutely Hedera Hashgraph holders ask me this question to why they can go down and upcoming days, what's the situation, we sell it, what we do. So I explain in this video, but before first of all I show you three charts. Okay, so first of all, this is the 1 day chart. You can see here absolutely a negative, but if you can see here, this time absolutely they can go like a rocket, absolutely a very high jump. So guys, they can again started dumping, absolutely they can starting dumping, so they can go down. So this is the absolutely very bad result. You can see here the price latest, you can just focus this. Okay, the price is 0.3362 US dollars. So this is absolutely a good price, and I hope they can cross it $1 US in upcoming days. Okay, understand this. Okay, what I talk you, please understand. Okay, so first of all, let's see the last 3 days result. Okay, the last 3 days result we see, and then decide, and then we latest result, and then we decide to what's going on. Okay guys, so if you can see here, the last 3 days result absolutely and very bad. Therefore people ask me to why they gone down. You can see here, this is and the minus, this is the live result. This is live result. This is not a fake result. You can see here absolutely the chart is minus 6.86% going down. Guys, please understand they can goes down. You can see here in the chart result absolutely goes down, but sometimes they can go up like a rocket. So this is very fast. This cryptocurrency Hedera and not a small cryptocurrencies. Understand this, please understand. They can make you a millionaire. They can understand, please. They can give you a very good profit. Okay, so the last chart is 1 hour. The last chart is 1 hour. Just focus this result. Just focus. Kindly just focus this result, because the decision is very hard. You can see here, this is and plus 0.03%. This is a very small change. Understand this, this is very small change, but I love this change. You can see here why. This is starting and last 24-hour absolutely good result. I love this result. You can see here absolutely they can go down, but sometimes they can goes down. So if sometimes they can starting goes down, then the holder decided to sell it. What's this? You are a crypto holder. What's this, y'all? This is not a selling time. Absolutely, this is not a selling time. My opinion is not a selling. I cannot order you. But I share with you. Please don't sell it. Okay. I just share my opinion with you to please share. Don't share it. If you can see here, this is absolutely very high. Yes, they can go like a rocket. Absolutely. After the last 24 hours, they can go starting jumping. Absolutely. In upcoming days, they can starting absolutely jumping. They can go like a rocket, and they can give you a 5 to 10 US dollar. Please, this is my expectation. They can give you my expectation. I hope they can cross it. 5 to 10 US dollar. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. Absolutely, this is good, and all holders understand this. And those days, this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency as goes down in those days. So this is a big reason to take it goes down. So please understand this problem that those days every cryptocurrency goes down, but upcoming at the middle of this month, I hope they can starting like a rocket going up. They can starting jumping. Absolutely, they can start jumping, and at the end they can give you a mind-blowing result. They can give you a 10 to 15 US dollar. So they can give you, and when the month they can make you a millionaire. So this is absolutely good. Please don't sell it. Just buy it and wait for the end of month. Hold it, please. All holder understand. Hold it, and then please, if you enjoy this video, then please like this video and subscribe this channel, y'all. Please subscribe this channel. Why you are not going to subscribe this channel? I hope you subscribe in this video. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for like this video. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.